Hello my beautiful people, una welcome to this channel. As e be person nyash don come outside for public and person wey dey make us know this one na Cubana Chief Priest. Na him come outside when they give us all this information. Now Cubana Chief Priest don call out Maria Chike on another fine girl of BBNAIJA. Talk say this lady dey sleep around with married men. Me a surprise for this one. And so wetin even worse the whole matter na she can't even still get right. They send death threats to the wife. Say make the wife leave the man alone. A surprise. But see when say you borrow the man, now you can't even still get right and moral. They claim property. This one overshock. He surprised me. Say this guy get this kind of thing. It means that now the side chicks of nowadays on know they smile again. Now don't even get right. They call men on a carrying a phone. They call the men wives. They tell them say make they no near their husband. I be want to talk again. Now wow. But this matter I don't the reason since like last week now the whole news don't they fly up and down. But they wait, okay, I won't confirm her first before I come as I can't give her. But now I don't really confirm her. So Auntie Maria, as you find rich, like you know if you sit down and claim say okay, me I get my own man of my own. You don't go join the Association of Home Breakers. They destroy people home. Truly, this life no balance at all. Because if person go tell me say Maria, she said go join all this, I go surprise. I no go even believe her. And what you shock me for this one matter? Not be the fact say she dey even knock person husband. Now the fact because we could even reason this whole thing. No be she go be the first lady we get sugar daddy, but she her own come with courage. She get the audacity. They call person wife, they threaten her. Say leave her. Auntie, now what for you? But this wife, she even, in fact, you get more than patience. Because if say na somebody like me, I don't go karate school. Go they prepare because all the other can do style. I go learn am because of you. I go make sure say I beat you blue black. Sleeping with my husband, you can't still get right. They tell me against make I leave am. And the worst of it now, Cubana even claim am say, I see all the wristwatch and car where that guy they drive. When she go they show say she get money. No be she get am. Say now the woman husband ain't get her. She just the pepper us on social media. They use and pepper the wife so that the wife go leave the man alone. For those of you who have watched this video, make now follow me watch. Hey, BBNAIJA girls. Una sure so una go make this heaven where all of us they run go like this. Because the way una they start time, I don't dey fear. Una go come outside they claim say fans bought me this. You people should work hard work pays. I beg na the hard work now be this way na they do. It means that na that person bedsheet na they go do on a hard work. And this Maria of again when she claims say she be real estate agent too. So they sell house inside Dubai.
I am Maria Chike, the newest BBNAIJA Season 6 housemate. I'm 29 years of age and I'm a realtor in Dubai, so I basically just sell houses for a living. My friends will say I'm definitely crazy, but the good kind of crazy.
I don't know say na in parables, now this girl they talk the whole thing. Now I really understand. And I know say they talk inside Bible say your body is the house of God. You for just tell us say your body now be the house where they sell for inside Dubai. By then we go down understand you. You know say not be everybody to understand what this guy hard slang. Now we will be say we just decoded. Now we really understand what you they talk. But Maria, our one and only estate agent. Oh, you they do well. In fact, you really try for this one way. You know why? In fact, they carry this your matter for head. Not be say I mean you are be anything, and because of how you carry yourself enter that BBNAIJA house. Then your character is smell. Only you over sabi. You go cause anybody, talk to anybody, anyhow way you like. You know they even respect anybody because for your mind you don't believe say now you go win. Now you be the Agbani director of the house. Now you find pass now. You carry everything say now you go win now. You see where your heartlessness don't carry you reach. And then you can't even shock us. You insult angel. The angel where everybody love say this girl na ashawo. You see as life be. Everything don't turn around now. Now you can't be the ashawo where everybody they claim. Now your own yashan I don't come outside for public. Everybody don't see the things where they do underground. Make her come surprise her. Now this lady know they call my G again. She don't carry her phone. Anybody will comment button, she don't run block. Until you go block tire, you never cheat on. They can't comment when they come for you. This one they go call you, so they go call you down. Because I know go see where you go get right. Person husband. At least share them in peace. No go they claim something where be say no be your own. Sugar daddy where be say everybody they manage. You reach your turn now. You won't begin the threatening person life on top of another person property. But anyway, as this fight they go, as this wahala they share like now, so we they carry account they give on. Anyways, my people, now here I go end up on this matter. Make us stay tuned for our next story.